This dance is called Down to the Honky-Tonk. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot. Step the right forward, touch the left beside the right, step the left back, kick the right forward. Into a coaster step, back, close, step, and hold. Now there are no and counts in this, so they're all single count timing steps. So that section once more. Off on that right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold. Going forward on a step lock step, so we step the left forward, lock that right behind the left, step the left forward again. So that's your step lock step. Hold. Step forward on the right, pivot half turn to the left, make a further quarter turn to the left as you step that right to the side, and hold. So that last section once more, and going forward on that step lock, left foot leading, 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold. Make sure with these turn steps you do really turn your whole body, don't just twist. Let's add those two sections together. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold. Walk back on that left, recover your weight on the right, touch the left heel forward, bring the feet together. Into a cross shuffle, so you cross your right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right over the left, and hold. Okay, so that section once more. Rocking back on that left. 7, 8, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, cross. That's your cross shuffle, hold. Let's add that to the top. One more section to go. Right foot leading, step, touch. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, cross, hold. Now probably the trickiest bit of the dance, we're going to do another cross shuffle step, but we're going to turn half left to start with. So you're in this cross position, turn half, and immediately cross that left over the right, right to the side, left to the crossing over again. So you go straight into that cross shuffle on top of that half a turn. Hold at that point, and then just add on a couple of side touches. So we step the right to the side, touch the left by the right, left to the side, touch the right by the left. So like I say, that's probably the trickiest bit in the dance. So you're in that cross position, turn yourself half a turn left as you cross. Side, cross, hold, side, touch. So you might need to just do that a little bit, a few times. So you've done your cross, shuffle, hold, cross, shuffle. That ends the dance. Once you get to that point, you put those side touches on the end. So let's put it all together. Off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, cross, hold, cross, side, cross, hold, side, touch, side, touch. the music's not too fast. And it just, I think, help you get the steps in the right place. So obviously I'm not going to chant all the holds. I'll take that opportunity to have a breath. But it's a four-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other three walls. Off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, cross, cross, side, side, touch, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, cross, cross, side, touch, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, cross, side, touch. Okay, now there is in that dance, there is a 3/4 turn. I know some people sometimes struggle with doing the turns. When you get to that point, it's after you've done your step, lock, step, it's that step, pivot, and then a 1/4 turn. It's 3/4 of a turn in total. If you want to take that out, I recommend try and do it. If you can do it, please do. It's how the dance is choreographed. But if you are struggling or it's making you dizzy, there is an alternative. You can do your step, lock, step, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, turn yourself 1/4 turn to the right. You'll get to the same point and place as everybody else. It's only if you're struggling with that turn, there's an alternative for you, but please do try and put the turns in when you can. So that's your dance, that's your walk through. Lovely piece of music. Let's give it a go. Five, 6, 7, 8, step, touch, back, coaster, step, lock, step, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, cross, side, touch, step, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, side, touch, step, back, kick, coaster, step, lock, step, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, touch, step, back, kick, coaster, step, lock, step, pivot, turn, back, rock, heel, close, cross, side, touch, step, touch.
Name Sheila, she got bad shit on tequila.
Back
Got a job that gets the job done. I got a loan at the bank, it's a big loan. The only place you might see my name is on the wall for a good time call. I'm a local legend on a Friday night. Till Pat's Blue Ribbon, neon light. My night is up in the Hall of Fame. Star on the sidewalk with my name. Or a statue in my hometown when I'm gone. Nobody gonna name their babies after me. I might not go down in history, but I go down to the honky-tonk. 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 My night is up in the Hall of Fame with a star on the sidewalk with my name, or a statue in my hometown when I'm gone. Nobody gonna name their babies after me. I might not go down in history, but I'll go down to the honky-tonk. honky tonk. I go down to the honky tonk. I go down to the honky tonk. I go down. I go down to the honky tonk.
I quite like that one, hope you do too.